Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping by. Well, it is the middle of January on this bright sunny day. We just had a winter storm come through here in Ohio. Probably got about 5 inches on the ground, and yeah, camping is kind of taking the back burner until spring. But I thought I would come out here and check the camper out, see how she's doing, and maybe even open up and see what's inside. So let's do that. Let's have some fun. Oh boy, didn't get the cover on this year. Just never got to it. Usually I like to have my neighbor help out. I'm not one to get up on the roof, and it's definitely a two-person job. Just because of the size, it's easier with two people, so that's usually the way I like to do it. I just never had a chance to get it open or get it up. All right, how we doing? How we doing in here? Boy, the first thing I smell is the mothballs. Yep, got mothballs. We got the moisture control here. Damp rid. Keep everything dry. Everything's all tucked away. Come to think of it, there actually was something I wanted to get out of here, and I don't remember what it was now. Kind of want to just glance and see if there's any issues, and everything looks good. Everything looks good indeed. You know what? Let's just go inside. Oh, all packed away. All packed away. Not frozen, surprisingly. Okay, so this is interesting. The gel pack is frozen. This is frozen. But these little containers are not frozen, and they're very cold. And we're only about 10-15 degrees right now, but these are not frozen. Oh, I'm ready to get out camping again. I see everyone posting from RTR. Awesome. Awesome indeed. Someday I wouldn't mind getting out there myself. Yeah. But anyway, this is kind of just like a blah video. Just I'd like to get out camp video. Let's take a peek in the bathroom. Yeah, to all my subscribers, thanks for subscribing. And now I haven't posted anything, but really nothing to post. Uh-oh. Well, that's quite interesting. Look at that. So, I've got snow in here. And that's because I left the vent open, thinking that was probably a good idea. But I've got snow in here. Okay. Well, guess what we're going to do? Let's close up the vent. Not that I think that's going to cause any issue, but we'll just close the vent up. I thought getting some fresh air in here might be a good idea, but that's alright. No big deal. No evaporate. I'm sure that just showed up the last couple days. Still got all the pink in here. Yep, all the pink. Okay. Problem diverted. Everything looks beautiful. I'm kind of looking at the roof to make sure no leaks or anything. It's always a concern, but yeah. There we go. So there you go. There's a tip. Make sure you close your vent when you winterize. Good tip. Okay, let's lock this back up here. Let's lock this back up. Let's see, which key is this? Right here. There we go. That's all good. Well, shall we check out the kitchen? I don't remember if I locked this or not. I did not. There we go. Kitchen. Everything looks good here. Look, there's the temp right there. We're at a balmy 15 degrees. Okay. Everything looks good. Beautiful. Oh, I'm ready to go camping. Alright, close this back up. Good. Put our stairs back up. There we go. Well, I'm glad I opened that bathroom up. Not that I think that was going to be an issue, but it's best. I don't want any more moisture in there than I need. Alright, let's go around to the other side here and check out the back. Let's kind of walk around. Everything looks good. Just check to make sure my tire covers are still on. Everything's still latched. Looking good over here. Everything's looking real good. Alright, we'll put our stairs back up and call it quits for this video. Well, thanks for stopping by again. Really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already. More videos to come. I've got a couple product reviews I want to do yet. Couple things I got my wife for Christmas that are for the camper that I'm going to be doing a review on. And wow, April can't get here fast enough. Thanks for watching.